Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to verify GNC fish oil. First, to ensure your GNC fish oil is genuine, locate the unique authentication code found on the product label. Next, visit the official GNC product authentication page online. You will then enter this unique code, along with your email address and mobile number, into the provided fields. This simple process helps confirm your purchase is an authentic GNC product, protecting you from counterfeit items and ensuring you receive the quality you expect. After authenticating your product, it is important to check for purity and potency. Look closely at the supplement facts label for the specific amounts of EPA and DHA, the key omega-3 fatty acids. A high-quality fish oil typically provides at least 500 milligrams of combined EPA and DHA per serving. Also, verify that the product mentions purification methods, such as molecular distillation, which helps remove harmful contaminants like heavy metals and PCBs, ensuring a cleaner supplement. Freshness is crucial for effective fish oil. Always check the expiration date on the packaging. Quality fish oil is typically stored in dark, airtight containers to protect it from light and oxygen, which can cause oxidation. Many good quality supplements also include natural antioxidants, such as vitamin E, to further preserve freshness. If your fish oil has a strong, rancid, or unpleasant fishy smell or taste, it may have oxidized and should not be consumed. Finally, one of the most reliable ways to verify fish oil quality is by looking for third-party certifications. Programs like the International Fish Oil Standards, or IFOs, independently test products for purity, potency, and freshness. IFOs provides a star rating, with 5 stars signifying the highest quality. Other reputable certifications, such as GOAD, NSF International, and USB Verified, also confirm that products meet strict quality and safety standards, offering an extra layer of assurance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.